Meet Mr. Superior, the sales manager, who is responsible for sales team with more than 40 sales personnel such as Mr. Talkative and few others share the same office as him, while Mr. Top Sale and others are scattered all over the country. His sales team consists various levels of academic background, who will report to him related to various tasks assigned to them through various means, depend on their capability. He grouped them such as Mr. Talkative Group, who used to send hard copy to him as reporting, which they will write on a piece of paper, either fax or hand to him personally. Mr. Top Sales Group, who used to send email attachment to him as reporting. They will attach an editable standard format and email to him from time to time. Mr. Fair Sales Group, who used to send SMS to him as reporting, in which they will try to write as brief as possible on the outcome of their follow-up. Mr. Low Sales Group, who use call reporting. They will call him and report to him on what transpired between them and their respective customer. Mr. Superior loves his job, but often feel worried by the reporting sent to him. This is a familiar problem. Let's consider this. If every alternate day Mr. Talkative sent a handwritten report to Mr. Superior, who will take at least 25 minutes to read, review, and comment, and then put it into his spreadsheet program before he can print it out and fax it back to Mr. Talkative for further action. That will cost Mr. Superior 125 minutes a day for Mr. Talkative group of 10. This hard copy report is time consuming, as it cannot be manipulated in the computer and not retrievable through internet, thus making him difficult to work elsewhere. While Mr. Top Sale Group consists of 20 sales personnel, used to send email with attachment to Mr. Superior as reporting on every alternate day, which Mr. Superior will take at least 15 minutes for each email to be read, edit, comment, and then file it as the latest version before he can send it back to them for further action. That will cost Mr. Superior another 150 minutes a day for this group. This soft copy reporting has its drawbacks such as the attachment cannot be shared and collaborated. On top of that, there is no tracking mechanism to track due tasks assigned to them. Mr. Fair Sales Group consists of 8 sales personnel, used to send SMS to Mr. Superior as reporting on every alternate day, which Mr. Superior will take at least 20 minutes each to be read, review, comment, and then put into his program before he can print it out and fax it back to them for further action. That will cost Mr. Superior another addition of 80 minutes for this group. This SMS reporting sometimes written in a very brief way, end up with Mr. Superior have to call them for further confirmation. Mr. Low Sales Group consists of 6 sales personnel, used call up Mr. Superior as reporting on every alternate day, which Mr. Superior will take at least 20 minutes each to write into his program before he can print it out and fax it back to them for further action. That will cost Mr. Superior another 60 minutes a day for this group. This is an annoying method, as it may be inconvenient for Mr. Superior to receive during driving or meeting. Moreover, there is no official written report from the caller. Mr. Superior often feels frustrated when time is wasted managing all these endless and various report formats. But this was those days, thanks to Task Twister and his company willingness to try out. That means saying goodbye to all those problems. Now, let's see where is Mr. Superior and what is he doing. Mr. Superior is on the way back hometown. He still can work even without that sort of hard and soft copy, SMS and call which have long gone. Whenever he wants to monitor, assign or respond to his or his sales team tasks, he just needs to log in into his Task Twister account, which will immediately take him to his desktop. What interests him the most here is his scoreboard, which is located on user header. In his scoreboard, there is various number and color. So what this color number mean? In order to understand this better, let's imagine this as a game of Task Twister. The game consists of 2 teams. The red team represented by behind task on the left, while the green team represented by ahead task on the right. The game started when a user is employed by the company, with the active task in place ready for company assignment. When that user gets his or her first assignment and it will be placed in the active task. The first rule of the game stated, whenever a new task is created, the green team get a point. So, when the active task get increased, same amount go to the green team. The second rule of the game stated, if one of the user's tasks is overdue and not done, Then the red team win a point from the green team. The user can increase by any amount at any time, same amount go to the green team. But again, if the user overdue task increase by any amount, then the same amount of point the red team claim from the green team. If the user completed a task belong to the red team, then 1 point will be knocked off from the red team, so to the active task. Likewise, when a complete task belong to the green team, then that 1 point will be knocked off from the green team, so to the active task. Lastly, the first rule of the company stated that the user must only support the green team and make sure the red team loses all their points. The game will continue forever unless the user resigns from the company. Well, let's get back to Mr. Superior and see how he works this game. To uphold the first rule of the company, Mr. Superior not only has to perform, but also ensure his entire sales team 100% support the green team. Now, let's bring Mr. Superior desktop back and see how he monitors them. Now, we just need his scoreboard and his desktop menu, while for the rest, we temporarily take it off. In order to make it easier for us to focus, we get his sales team scoreboard in place. Now, whenever he wants to see a particular team member performance, he just needs to go to his desktop menu and select that particular subordinate. And Task Twister will change his entire desktop content to that selected subordinate desktop. In this case, Mr. Talkative, with 0 for the red team and 223 for the green team. Wonderful! 1 down, 40 more to go. Now, we check out Mr. Top Sales. Again, with a click, the desktop transforms from Mr. Talkative to Mr. Top Sales, with 0 for behind task and 214 for ahead task. Good job, Mr. Top Sales. Let's move quickly to Mr. Fair Sales desktop. 0 for overdue tasks, again 192 for coming tasks. Splendid, Mr. Fair Sales. Now, let's check out Mr. Low Sales desktop. Oops, 3 tasks due and not done, against 133 coming tasks. Mr. Superior feels uncomfortable when he sees red point. He immediately clicks on the behind task toolbar, to which it pops up the 3 behind tasks with detail. Apparently, the first one is auto-generate assignment from the system with a key task requesting Mr. Low Sales to follow up with this customer before this date, but unfortunately, it was overdue by 3 days. The second behind task is from Mr. Superior himself, with a sticky task requesting Mr. Low Sales to register for this event before this date, and it seemed to be overdue by 2 days. The last behind task is from Mr. Talkative, with a loose task requesting Mr. Low Sales to collect payment from this customer. This task seemed to be due also by this morning. After browsing through this, Mr. Superior called up Mr. Low Sales seeking explanation and remind him the importance of keeping up with the company first rule. Mr. Superior continued to browse through the balanced team member score and found out a couple more of sales personnel have lapsed their tasks, to which he called them up as what he did to Mr. Low Sales. Thanks to Task Twister, to which he managed to monitor and coach his entire sales team with an hour flight before the plane touched down on his hometown, and looking forward for stressless and quality weekend with his family. To summarize Scenario 3, Task Twister provides a simple yet powerful tool for sharing and collaborating among team members, which will eventually save that company a lot of money and time that was lost through the other unable to share and collaborate application. Thank you for watching this demonstration video. For more Task Twister application, please check out within the software or just call our authorized consultant for a full on-site training today.